So guys, it's already been less than 2 months in the shop, and finally, as I said, we have two sales this week, not only one, which accumulate to $912, which is around $500 profit in 1 week. As you can see also from the shop traffic, obviously the visits are going up. The reason that it's down is because it's November 3rd, so right now in the US it's still early. So the visits are going up, the graph is going up. That's exactly what we need, and that's exactly what we're looking for. In 1 week, it went from 107 to 145. That means that the shop is really getting traction right now. As you can see, from October 5th to November 2nd, it's not even yet 2 months, the shop is really climbing high. So we can really know that the shop is starting to make good money. It got to the part where it's actually moving forward and is actually getting where we wanted to get. Again, this is only the beginning of exactly where we're looking for, as it's even not 2 months yet. As you can see also from the orders, we have one order as $497. The other order is for $417. We already completed one, so after this video, I'm gonna do the other two and really complete them and send them to the customers. If that's the case right now in this week, we hope to get next week another at least 2 3 sales, maybe even only one. It all depends. But yeah, the shop starts moving, things starts moving as we want it to go. And yeah, the listings are still the same, only 7 listings. We're not uploading anything else. That comes to show again that with only 1 minute or 2 minutes a day, you can really make the money that you're looking for in Etsy. It simply is just keep going, keep moving, keep working, making everything work as you need to, and the money will come. As I said before, in the last week, we might have not had any sales the last week, even though I expected some, and now we made two to compensate for it. So just how it is. 1 week up, 1 week is down. Hopefully next week I'll show you already $1,000 on revenue above. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it to other friends who are looking to make money on Etsy as well.